Hi and welcome. Let's take a quick look at the ESFP profile. And to make it effective, we will do it in short form. So get ready for a very compact presentation. The ESFP, extroverted, sensing, feeling, perceiving, is one of the 16 personality types in the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, MBTI. ESFPs are often described as enthusiastic, spontaneous, and fun-loving individuals. Here is a list of behaviors commonly associated with the ESFP profile. Sociable and outgoing. ESFPs enjoy being around people and are often the life of the party. They thrive in social settings and are skilled at engaging with others. Adventurous. ESFPs love trying new things and are open to taking risks. They often seek out exciting experiences and enjoy living in the moment. Spontaneous. ESFPs are quick decision makers and tend to go with the flow. They prefer to adapt to situations as they arise rather than sticking to rigid plans. Sensitive to others' emotions. ESFPs are empathetic and attuned to the feelings of those around them. They are supportive friends and are often the go-to person for emotional support. Action-oriented. ESFPs are doers and enjoy hands-on activities. They prefer to learn by doing and may become restless in passive or theoretical environments. Charming and expressive. ESFPs have a natural charisma that makes them likable to others. They are excellent communicators and are often skilled at storytelling. Impulsive. ESFPs may act on their impulses without considering long-term consequences. They can be thrill seekers and may struggle with delayed gratification. Optimistic and positive. ESFPs tend to have an upbeat and positive outlook on life. They are good at finding the silver lining in challenging situations. Easily bored. ESFPs may become disinterested or restless when faced with repetitive or monotonous tasks. They thrive on variety and excitement. Responsive to sensory experiences. ESFPs are often highly attuned to their physical surroundings and enjoy sensory pleasures such as music, food, and beautiful scenery. Conflict avoidance. ESFPs prefer harmonious environments and may avoid confrontations. They may have difficulty dealing with intense or negative emotions. Loyal to friends. ESFPs value their close friendships and are fiercely loyal to those they care about. They are usually willing to go to great lengths to support their loved ones. Living in the present. ESFPs focus on the here and now, rather than dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. They find joy in immediate experiences. Dislike formalities. ESFPs may find rigid rules or overly formal settings restrictive and stifling. They prefer casual and relaxed environments. Attention seekers. ESFPs enjoy being noticed and appreciated. They may be outgoing and seek validation from others. As with any personality type, individual variations can occur, so allow for individual differences. You can check the rest of our playlist to find similar descriptions of other personality types. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.